Welcome back to our educational series, Composites Manufacturing Methods. In this second episode, we dive into the intricate world of hand layup process. A cornerstone technique in the composite manufacturing industry, hand layup allows for the creation of complex and high-performance parts, demanding a blend of skills, precision, and experience. Let's explore how this manual process shapes the future of composites. The hand layup process plays a pivotal role in composite manufacturing, marrying the craftsmanship of skilled workers with the advanced material that defines our modern world. Today, we'll break down the process into digestible parts, guiding you through the core technique and advanced methods that make hand layup both an art and a science. Let's get started. Hand layup involves manually forming flat plies of pre-impregnated materials, known as pre-preg, into complex shapes. Despite being labor-intensive, it's essential for creating parts that require high strength, lightweight, and intricate geometries that the fibers should follow. The process's variability and cost are offset by its potential for precision and customization. The foundation of hand layup lies in its techniques. One-handed guiding allows for precise alignment and placement of the pre-preg, while two-handed guiding offers greater control over the material's shape. Corner consolidation ensures that even the most challenging angles are perfectly molded, and manual folding addresses excess material, ensuring a flawless finish. To tackle more complex shapes, advanced shearing techniques like hoop shearing and double tension shearings are employed. These methods require not just manual dexterity, but a deep understanding of the material's behavior under tension and stress, ensuring the final product meets the stringent performance criteria. The intricacies of hand layup are further exemplified by tension and sticking, and mold interaction shearing. These techniques showcase the meticulous nature of the process, where even the slightest misstep can affect the final product's quality. It's a testament to the skill and patience of workers in the composite manufacturing industry. And that wraps up our exploration of hand layup process, an essential yet complex technique in the world of composite manufacturing. This video only scratches the surface of what hand layup entails. For a deeper dive and to read the full blog on this topic, head over to our website. The link is in the description below. Don't forget, this is just the second video in our Composite Manufacturing Methods course. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll uncover the fascinating techniques and innovation in composite manufacturing. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.